Hey y'all, today is December 10th and I have a very small Walmart haul, and then I'm going to get into the video for today for my 10th day of 25 days of Christmas. But first I want to say I have not felt good all day, so I hope that you don't mind. I'm going to do something fairly quick and easy to have this day in. And I have felt so bad. We were supposed to go out to Golden Corral with our youngest son and his girlfriend, but I just couldn't go, and my husband didn't feel like going, so he didn't go without me. So yeah, I don't feel good. Anyway, I'm gonna get into the stuff that I got from Walmart. I've used these before. I've had black, and I think I've got gold. I've got silver and another color, but I don't remember what color it was. But I picked up one of these. It's just a white. I thought that I might need it for some of the things that I'm doing now. I don't know if this will actually stick on resin or not, but I'm gonna try it and see if it will work. The problem with my other colors is I can't find them. I find them and then I move them and then I lose them again. I am so unorganized, y'all. I've got to get my stuff together. And then I needed some small ribbon, and I wanted silver, but all I found was this small white one, because all they had in silver was a large one, and they had a large one in gold. They didn't have anything in the color that I thought would be good for Christmas in this particular size. And I think that this is, it was either 49 cents or 98 cents. I don't remember. Either way, I needed it, so I picked it up while I was there. And then these I had been looking for a while. I think I saw some at Hobby Lobby, but they were a lot more expensive, and we just happened to walk by where these were. And it's got a Christmas tree, a bell, a snowman, a gingerbread man, a little stocking, an angel, a star, a house, a candy cane, and a heart. I wish that they were all Christmas things. Heart, that's not Christmassy. The ones that are in here, I really am glad I got, and I'm definitely going to try to do something soon with these. And 10 pieces for $2.98, I didn't think that was bad at all. I have looked for a couple of years for some really pretty wrapping paper, although this isn't necessarily what I was looking for. I still like it. Oh, I keep hitting stuff. There's Joy. There's the Noel. And of course, there is the pretty poinsettia. And they are, not that big. I like them. I'm going to try to cut them out and put them in one of the ornament things to see what that looks like. I don't know. But anyway, I liked this one. I picked it up. It has a Christmas tree with a snowman. I don't know, this year it's all about snowman and snow, I guess. Snowman, snowflakes. But anyway, this one's really pretty too. I liked this one. I like those trees. They're really pretty. That was the stuff that I found at Walmart. I think I found this like 10 days ago. It's been a while since I got it, and I have been trying to do all my other stuff, so I haven't been able to, get this out. But I'm wanting to use it, so I wanted to show that I got it. I have these acrylic plastic keychain, and these are supposed to have the little top that pops into there so you could put a picture in it, but these came from a secondhand store, so they didn't have the piece that goes in there. So I'm going to use one of the stickers that I got, the gift tag stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this tree. I've got to cut around it, and after I get it cut out, I'm going to stick it down and put UV resin on it and see what it looks like. Alright, I got this one all cut out. So I'm going to peel it off. And stick it down. I'm doing it from the top because alright, well, I wanted to keep the stone on the bottom, but there's not room, so I'm going to cut that off. Alright, yep, that part's cut off now. And I am going to put some glitter. Alright, I want to put some of this down here to make it look like snow, maybe, if it'll stay, I don't know. Yep, I guess I'm just going to try to get some of it out, and then when I get it out, tap it to the bottom. Alright, well, there's some in there. I think I need some more. I'm going to put a little bit more. Okay, that might be enough. Okay, well, that's as good as that's going to get. And now I want to put some of course, my beautiful holographic silver. Not much, just a hint. Oh, that was a little bit, but that's okay. And for obvious reasons, I can't lift it up right now and let you see what it looks like. When I get the UV resin on it and get it cured, I will show you what it looks like at that point. And I hope I have enough in here to do this with. Let it come down on its own. This might take a minute. But I shouldn't need to very much for this particular project. Oh, here we go. I see some bubbles. Alright, I'm going to see if I can spread this out some. Okay, that is spread out. Alright, I'm going to use this real quick and then I'll put it under the, I'm going to use the little UV flashlight real quick and then I'm going to put it under the bigger lamp. I see a spot right there that doesn't have any. Okay, now I'm going to, of course, pause the video and put this under the big lamp. And here it is, all done. Isn't that pretty? Even though you can't really see my snow at the bottom, you can still see the silver holographic glitter. And I think that that is really pretty. I think it's a nice little keychain. Y'all tell me what you think. Do you like it? I like it. I think it's pretty. A little big, but you know what? It might actually even work as a pendant if you really wanted it to. But anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will ask you once again to please leave me a like. It really does help the channel. And if you know anybody that actually likes this kind of stuff, I would appreciate so very much if you would share out my channel. That really does help. Also, it helps bring in more people to the channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. If nothing else, leave me a comment below. A Christmas emoji, something. You don't even have to say anything. Just leave some type of Christmas emoji. There is a snowman. There's a Santa Claus. There is a Christmas gift box. There may be some other things. I don't know. But interaction from you really does help improve the chances of channels getting seen. Thank you once again. Like I said, I appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos, and those of you who have subscribed, you're awesome. Those of you who actually leave comments, you're fantastic. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.